Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soft peppermint candy. First, gather your ingredients. 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, 1/2 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of peppermint oil. You'll also need a candy thermometer and a buttered baking sheet or silicone mat. Having everything prepped ensures a smooth candy-making process. This recipe is surprisingly simple and yields delicious, melt-in-your-mouth treats. Next, combine the sugar, corn syrup, and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir this mixture over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking without stirring until the temperature reaches exactly 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is crucial for achieving the perfect soft texture. Once it hits 250 degrees, remove the pan from the heat right away. Now, carefully add 1 teaspoon of peppermint oil to the hot candy mixture. Be cautious as the steam will be very hot. Pour the mixture onto your prepared buttered surface or silicone mat. Let it cool for a few minutes until it's warm enough to handle but not too hot. Then, begin to knead the candy, pulling and folding it until it turns opaque and becomes soft and pliable, which usually takes about 10 minutes. Finally, roll your soft, pliable candy into long ropes, approximately 1/2 inch in thickness. Use a pair of buttered scissors or a sharp knife to cut these ropes into small, individual pieces. You can dust them with a little powdered sugar to prevent sticking. Store your delicious homemade peppermint candies in an airtight container at room temperature. They make wonderful gifts or a delightful treat for yourself. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.